Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add social media icons to WordPress footer. Let's get started. In order to do that, you need to actually install this menu image right here, which is a plugin for your WordPress. Now, once you're in here, just head over and then try to create a menu. So you can head over right here to your page, and then let's click on this menu and click on this create new menu, and then in here let's name this footer right here, and then let's set this as a footer menu. Click on next, and then you can start adding some links or some pages that you want displayed on this particular page. So click on this add items, and then for this one I'll head over and add in here a customized link. So you can also choose which ones you want for this. It can be posts, it can be pages. For me, I'll choose custom links and I'll add the link right here. So I have created right here a Facebook link. Click on this add to menu. And then once you have done that, this thing right here will be added to your menu of your footer. So I have finished adding my Facebook link as well as my Instagram link right here. This is what it looks like. Now, let's head over to our menu right here, and then let's edit out the footer menu. You can see in here our Facebook as well as our Instagram. So let's head over and get an icon for that. So for example, for this, let's choose an Instagram pink icon. So let's choose a pink icon for Instagram right here. So you can choose which ones you want to use for this. But for me, I'll head over and then use this one. And then in here, I'll just head over and then just save this or download this. So once it's been saved, let's head over right here again. And then let's expand their Instagram option or link. And then once you have expanded that, click on this add image or icon, and then it will open this. So click on the set image, and then let's upload in here a file. And then let's click on this Instagram and open it. And as you can see, it's uploading. So let's head over and click on select. Now save the changes. And as you can see, this is what it will look like. So let's also do this same thing to our Facebook right here. And let's add in here an image that actually fits it. So I'll click on set image again. And then I'll choose this one. Click on select. And then click on save changes. Once you have saved this, head over and click on this save menu right here in order to save the changes that you have all together. And then head back in here again on your actual page. And you should be able to see your Facebook and Instagram. Now let's try to actually reload this. And then once you have reloaded your page right here, you can head over and scroll down to your footer again in order to see if the changes has already taken effect. So when you scroll down, you should be able to see them right in here. And as you can see, the icons have now been added to our footer. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.